Hi guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 7 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Now click on Clear Browsing Data and here you will find basic and advanced features. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. And then under advanced you've got a few more. These are saved passwords, out of info data, and site settings. Then smoothly pick the time range. And let me remove history from all time, and then just click on clear data. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.